Welcome back, y'all. Today I decided I'm gonna do a video on this MacBook that I found at a job I did. It looked pretty fresh, so I was like, let me go ahead and take it home. I believe I plugged it in before and it worked, but I'm about to see if it still works. Cause I moved. See my cat? So I moved, so let's see if it works. I'm about to plug it back in. Since I found a plug, here you go. Oh, so that works. All right, the moment of truth. As soon as I found out how to turn it on, would be probably better, right? Here the motor working. I don't see a power button. It's underneath. Maybe it's in the back. Oh, there you go. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's right there. Okay. Is it lighting up? It is not lighting up. But I hear the noise. Okay, it's lighting up in the front. There you go. Still working. I wonder how old this is. It should say when it cut on. Like made in whatever year it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and guess that this is probably like a 2001. Let's see if it cut on. It didn't come with a mouse, so I had to get a modern mouse. Okay. There you go. It's definitely working. Got the Wi-Fi, pop straight up. All right, thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna try to figure it out. I'm probably gonna make a part 2 because I'm gonna try to figure out how to hook everything up and probably just start using it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.